Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Rancilio Silvia espresso machine. And let's begin by testing the steam. So we have nice strong steam. And here at Kanen Coffee we like to steam first in order to make the espresso drink faster, and it prevents from burning out the boiler. So now let's do a cooling cycle. We're going to run about 4 ounces of water until we stop getting all this big steam. And that should be good to go. My assistant will set up the drink here. There you have it. Nice shot of espresso with the Rancilio Silvia. Thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.